Hey everyone, and welcome to our chapter on escape characters. Escape characters are used when we want to insert specific or special characters into our strings. So for example, think about what if I use a quote? What if I say, Mary told me don't believe everything you read on the internet? So when we write, usually in letters or paragraphs or articles or whatever, we usually use double quotes to refer to a quote of what someone said. But remember, double quotes will tell the computer where we start or finish a string. So essentially, we might accidentally cut off our string where we don't want it to be cut off. That's all right. Python actually has a great solution for this. It's called an escape character. An escape character is simply when I put a backslash in, and this backslash basically says to Python, ignore the next character and don't treat it like a normal character. So that means that it wouldn't treat it as it normally would treat it. Instead, Python is just going to read whatever that character is and print it out. In our example over here, what we're going to do is we're going to print out Mary told me, don't believe everything you read on the internet. Just like we learned. Now, the way that we're going to do it is we're going to put a backslash right before our quote of a double quote. So what that means is because we don't want Python to close our string over here, by putting this backslash, we're actually telling Python, hey, don't treat this character that's coming up as you normally would. Instead, I want you to treat it like an escape character, like I want you to specially treat it. And double quotes, when treated as escape characters, are simply printed out as normal strings. And then when we go ahead and we print this, as you can see, we're getting Mary told me, don't believe everything you read on the internet, with the double quotes of a quote. Now, as we move forward with our course, we're going to be learning about different escape characters, such as the \n, which basically indicates starting a new line, and a couple of other ones. So now it's your turn to go ahead and start exercising.